Do you feel stuck in a dead-end job, paycheck to paycheck, dreaming of the day you'll break free from the rat race? You're not alone. But what if I told you it is possible to become a low-pay millionaire without waiting for your big break or winning the lottery? It might sound like a pipe dream, but it's actually an achievable goal if you know the right strategy. In this video, we'll dive deep into how to leverage small beginnings into extraordinary wealth. We'll show you exactly how to take control of your finances even if you're feeling stuck. By the end of this video, you'll have a crystal clear roadmap to becoming a low-pay millionaire. So buckle up and get ready to transform your financial future. Let's go. Are you tired of feeling like you're treading water financially? Do you feel like no matter how hard you work, you're just staying afloat and never really getting ahead? You're not alone. Many people struggle with feeling trapped in their financial situation. They dream of a life filled with financial freedom and abundance, but they're unsure how to make that dream a reality. The good news is that you have the power to change your financial future. Becoming a millionaire is within your reach, and it all starts with a mindset shift. When you start to believe that you can achieve anything you set your mind to, you open yourself up to a world of possibilities. Suddenly, financial abundance becomes your new norm rather than an elusive dream. But how can you cultivate this millionaire mindset? It all begins with a decision. Are you ready to take control of your financial destiny? If so, let's explore the strategies and mindsets that will guide you on your path to becoming a millionaire. Get ready to discover how to build wealth, invest wisely, and live a life of financial freedom. Let's look at a few ways to adopt the millionaire mindset. Number 1, think like a winner. Millionaires are confident and self-assured individuals who believe in their ability to succeed. They have a positive mindset and they focus on their strengths. To think like a winner, identify your strengths and talents, focus on your abilities, maintain a positive attitude, and embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. Number 2, set clear goals. Successful people set clear, measurable goals and develop strategies to achieve them. They break down large goals into smaller, actionable steps and track their progress regularly. Set short-term and long-term goals, create action plans, prioritize your goals, and review and adjust your plan regularly. 3, take calculated risks. Millionaires are often willing to take calculated risks and step out of their comfort zones. They understand that risk-taking is essential for growth and are comfortable with uncertainty. Identify opportunities, assess potential risks and rewards, develop a risk management plan, start small, and learn from your experiences. 4, build a strong work ethic. Hard work and dedication are essential for achieving success. Millionaires often have a strong work ethic and are committed to excellence. Develop good habits, manage your time effectively, and take responsibility for your actions. Number 5, seek out mentors and role models. Millionaires often surround themselves with successful individuals who can provide guidance and support. Seek out mentors and role models, network with other professionals, and learn from their experiences and insights. Join professional organizations, attend industry events, and connect with successful individuals in your field. Now that you have the right mindset, let's talk about budgeting without sacrifice. Being a millionaire doesn't mean living a lavish lifestyle. It means having financial freedom and security. And that starts with smart money management. Many people assume that saving money means depriving yourself of the things you enjoy, but that's not the case. With a little creativity and discipline, you can stick to your budget without sacrificing your quality of life. Here are some tips to help you do just that. Tip number 1, track your expenses. Understanding where your money goes is the first step to creating a budget that works for you. Use a budgeting app or spreadsheet to track your income and expenses for a few months. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and free up more money for saving and investing. Number 2, create a realistic budget. Once you understand where your money is going, it's time to create a realistic budget. Allocate funds for your essential expenses such as housing, utilities and groceries, as well as for your long-term savings goals. There are several budgeting methods available, such as the 50-30-20 budget, the zero-based budget, and the envelope system. Find the one that works best for you and stick to it. Tip number 3, identify areas to cut back. After creating your budget, look for areas where you can cut back without sacrificing your quality of life. Consider reducing dining out, entertainment, and shopping expenses. Look for cheaper alternatives and be mindful of your spending habits. Number 4, automate your savings. One of the best ways to ensure that you're saving money is to automate the process. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each month. You can also automate your investments by setting up regular contributions to your investment accounts. Tip number 5, review and adjust regularly. It's important to review and adjust your budget regularly to ensure that it's still aligned with your financial goals and lifestyle. Make changes as needed and be flexible with your budget. Investing made simple, even with a low income. You can still grow your wealth through investing. It may seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Here are some simple steps to get you started. Step number 1, start early. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Even if you can only invest small amounts initially, it's important to start as soon as possible. Compound interest, which is the interest you earn on your investments, can have a significant impact on your overall returns over time. The sooner you start investing, the more time you give your compound interest to work for you. Step 2, educate yourself. It's crucial to educate yourself about investing before getting started. Learn about different investment options, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, as well as investment strategies and risk management. There are numerous online resources, books, and courses available to help you learn about investing. Take advantage of these resources to build your knowledge and confidence in investing. Step number 3, determine your risk tolerance. Your risk tolerance refers to the amount of risk you're comfortable taking with your investments. Consider your financial goals, time horizon, and comfort level when determining your risk tolerance. Generally, younger investors with longer time horizons can take on more risk than older investors nearing retirement. Step number 4, choose your investments. Based on your risk tolerance and financial goals, choose investments that align with your investment strategy. Consider diversifying your portfolio across different asset classes and industries to spread your risk. Step 5, monitor your investments. It's essential to monitor your investments regularly and make adjustments as needed. Review your investment performance, rebalance your portfolio, and stay informed about market trends and economic conditions. Consider working with a financial advisor to help you make informed investment decisions, side hustles, and passive income to start earning extra. If you're looking to boost your income and achieve financial freedom, consider starting a side hustle or investing in passive income streams. Here are a few ideas to get you started. Starting a blog or blogging. If you have a passion for writing or video production, start a blog or vlog. You can monetize your content through advertising, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Number 2, offer freelance services. If you have skills in areas such as graphic design, web development, or social media management, offer your services as a freelancer. You can find freelance work on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. 3, drive Uber or deliver food. If you have a car, you can drive for ride-sharing services like Uber or Lyft. Alternatively, you can deliver food or groceries through services like DoorDash or Instacart. Number 4, rent out a spare room or property. If you have a spare room in your home, consider renting it out to a roommate or use a platform like Airbnb to rent out your entire property when you're not using it. Note 5, sell items online. If you have items you no longer need or want, sell them online through platforms like eBay or Facebook Marketplace. You can also sell handmade items on Etsy or craft-based platforms. How to avoid money traps. Breaking free from the cycle of poverty and building wealth requires more than just increasing your income. It also involves avoiding common money traps that can hinder your financial progress. Here are a few key steps to help you avoid these traps. Step 1. Educate yourself about personal finance. Take charge of your financial education and learn about personal finance, budgeting, and investing. By understanding the basics of money management, you'll be better equipped to make informed financial decisions and avoid common pitfalls. Step number 2, avoid high-interest debt. Stay away from high-interest debt such as payday loans and credit card debt, as it can quickly derail your financial progress. If you do find yourself in debt, create a plan to pay it off as soon as possible. Number 3, don't overspend. Resist the urge to overspend on unnecessary items and live within your means. By practicing delayed gratification and being mindful of your spending, you can avoid accumulating unnecessary debt and financial stress. Number 4, prioritize your savings. Make saving money a priority by setting up automatic transfers to your savings account. Having an emergency fund can help you avoid going into debt when unexpected expenses arise. Number 5, invest in yourself. Invest in your own education and skill development to increase your earning potential. By improving your skills and knowledge, you'll be better positioned to secure higher-paying jobs or start a successful business. A clear step-by-step roadmap to becoming a low-pay millionaire. Now that you've adopted the millionaire mindset, learned how to budget without sacrifice, invested wisely, and considered various side hustles, it's time to put it all together and follow a clear roadmap to becoming a low-pay millionaire. Step 1. Define your financial goals. Determine your short-term and long-term financial goals, including how much money you want to save, invest, and spend. Having clear financial goals will help you stay motivated and focused on your journey to becoming a millionaire. Step 2. Develop a budget. Create a detailed budget that outlines your income and expenses. Track your spending, identify areas where you can cut back and allocate funds toward your financial goals. Step 3. Invest consistently. Start investing early and invest consistently. Even small amounts can grow significantly over time. Diversify your investments across different asset classes and seek professional advice if needed. Step number 4. Explore side hustles. Consider starting a side hustle or exploring passive income streams to supplement your income and accelerate your path to becoming a millionaire. Step 5. Continuously learn and adapt. Stay informed about personal finance, investing, and entrepreneurship. Be open to adapting your strategies and seeking guidance from mentors or financial advisors. By following these steps, you can create a roadmap that leads you to becoming a low-pay millionaire. Remember that consistency, patience, and persistence are key to achieving your financial goals. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to help you on your journey to becoming a low-pay millionaire step by step. Bonus 1, your millionaire roadmap. Bonus 2, resources to start your journey. Link is on the description. Get your guide. Now, if you found this information helpful, please don't hesitate to share it with others who might benefit from it. By sharing this knowledge, you can make a positive impact in their lives and help them achieve their financial dreams as well. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content. Give us a like, share this video, and hit the bell to stay updated. Also, subscribe to our newsletter for more transformative content.